Understanding what causes your pet's anxiety is the first and most critical step toward helping them feel safe and secure. Pets, like humans, can experience anxiety from a wide range of triggers, and recognizing these is essential for effective treatment. Common triggers include loud noises, such as fireworks, thunderstorms, or construction sounds. These sudden, intense noises can be terrifying for animals who do not understand their source, often leading to trembling, hiding, or destructive behavior. Separation anxiety is another widespread issue, especially among dogs. Pets that become extremely attached to their owners may panic when left alone, resulting in excessive barking, whining, or even attempts to escape. Changes in environment or routine can also be very unsettling. A move to a new home, the arrival of a new pet or family member, or even small changes like feeding time adjustments can cause stress in sensitive animals. Social anxiety is another concern. Some pets become nervous or aggressive around unfamiliar people or other animals. This often stems from a lack of early socialization or past traumatic experiences. In multi-pet households, dominance issues or lack of personal space can be anxiety-inducing as well. To accurately identify your pet's specific triggers, observe their body language and behavior closely during different situations. Look for signs such as pacing, excessive grooming, drooling, shaking, or changes in appetite. Keeping a journal of when and where symptoms occur can help establish patterns. The more precisely you can pinpoint what causes your pet's distress, the more effectively you can address the issue. Sometimes, it may even be necessary to record video when you're away to detect separation anxiety behaviors. In some cases, especially if the anxiety appears suddenly or worsens without an obvious reason, a veterinary checkup is important to rule out underlying medical conditions that might be contributing to your pet's anxiety. Creating a safe space for your pet is an essential strategy in managing anxiety, as it gives them a place where they can retreat and feel secure when they're overwhelmed. This designated area should be quiet, cozy, and located away from high-traffic parts of the home. For dogs, a crate or a corner with a soft bed, toys, and a blanket that smells like their favorite person can work wonders. For cats, consider a quiet room or a covered cat bed tucked away in a peaceful spot. The idea is to offer an environment that feels comforting and familiar, where your pet can relax without fear of being disturbed. Soft lighting or dimming the lights can also contribute to a calming atmosphere, especially during stressful events like thunderstorms or fireworks. It's important not to force your pet into their safe space, but to let them choose it willingly. Placing familiar items, such as their favorite toy, an old shirt of yours, or even a piece of furniture they love, helps them associate the space with positive experiences. White noise machines or calming music specifically designed for pets can also be beneficial, as sound therapy has been proven to help reduce anxiety. Avoid scolding your pet if they hide or seek solitude in their safe space. Instead, respect their need for quiet and privacy. If multiple pets share a home, make sure each has access to their own sanctuary to avoid territorial stress. Over time, your pet will come to see this spot as their personal refuge where they can self-soothe and feel protected. Reinforce the space with positive interactions by occasionally giving treats or gentle affection while they are there. The key is consistency and making the area part of their daily routine, not just something they turn to in times of stress. Using calming aids can be a highly effective way to help manage your pet's anxiety, especially when combined with other behavioral strategies. These aids come in various forms, including natural remedies, pheromone products, and specially designed garments. One of the most popular options is pheromone diffusers or sprays, which mimic the natural calming scents that animals produce. For dogs, products like Adaptil release synthetic versions of the pheromones nursing mothers emit, promoting a sense of security. For cats, Feeliway diffusers provide similar comfort by mimicking the facial pheromones cats use to mark safe areas. These products are odorless to humans and can be plugged in or sprayed in areas where your pet spends the most time. Another helpful tool is anxiety wraps or pressure garments like the Thunder shirt. These snug-fitting vests apply gentle, constant pressure to your pet's body, similar to swaddling a baby. This pressure can have a soothing effect, reducing heart rate and helping them stay calm during stress-inducing events like thunderstorms, fireworks, or car rides. Natural supplements and treats infused with calming ingredients such as chamomile, valerian root, passionflower, or L-theanine are also widely available. These ingredients are often combined in chews or drops that can be given daily or as needed, depending on the severity of the anxiety. CBD products specifically formulated for pets have also gained popularity, although it's important to consult a veterinarian before use to ensure safety and proper dosage. Additionally, some pet owners use calming collars that slowly release soothing scents over time, providing continuous support. It's crucial to observe how your pet reacts to any calming aid, as individual responses can vary. What works for one pet may not work for another, and sometimes it takes a bit of trial and error to find the most effective solution for your animal's specific needs and triggers. Regular exercise and play a vital role in managing pet anxiety by helping to burn off excess energy and stimulate the mind in a positive way. For dogs, daily walks, games of fetch, or structured playtime can significantly reduce restlessness and stress-related behaviors, such as chewing, barking, or digging. Physical activity promotes the release of endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals, which can help calm an anxious pet and improve overall mood. The amount and type of exercise needed will vary depending on the pet's age, breed, and energy level, but even a short, consistent routine can make a big difference. For high-energy breeds or pets prone to anxiety, longer sessions or more challenging activities like agility training, hiking, or swimming can be especially beneficial. Mental stimulation is just as important as physical movement. Puzzle toys, treat dispensing devices, and scent-based games can engage your pet's brain, offering a sense of accomplishment and focus that distracts from stress triggers. Training sessions that involve commands or tricks also serve as a form of mental exercise and help build a stronger bond between pet and owner. For cats, interactive play using feather wands, laser pointers, or motion-activated toys can simulate hunting behaviors and provide a healthy outlet for anxiety. Climbing structures, scratching posts, and window perches also offer opportunities for exploration and exercise. The key is consistency. Regularly scheduled activity helps create a stable routine, which can be very comforting to pets prone to anxiety. It's also important to observe your pet's reactions and adjust activities to suit their comfort and energy levels. Over-exercising or overstimulating a pet can have the opposite effect, leading to fatigue or irritability. When properly managed, daily exercise and playtime not only improve physical health, but also serve as a natural and enjoyable way to reduce anxiety in pets. Positive reinforcement training is one of the most effective methods for helping pets manage anxiety by encouraging calm behaviors and building confidence. This approach involves rewarding your pet with treats, praise, or toys when they exhibit desirable behaviors, which helps them learn that calmness or bravery leads to positive outcomes. For pets experiencing anxiety, this training can be particularly useful in desensitizing them to the things that trigger their fear or stress. Gradual exposure to stressors, combined with reinforcement, can help them become more comfortable over time. For instance, if a dog is fearful of loud noises, such as thunderstorms, you can start by playing a low-volume recording of thunder while rewarding the dog for remaining calm. Gradually, the volume can be increased, and the dog learns to associate the sound with something positive, like treats or affection. This method works similarly for other anxiety triggers, such as unfamiliar people, other animals, or being left alone. Start with small steps and only increase the difficulty level when your pet is comfortable with the current stage. In addition to desensitization, positive reinforcement helps to strengthen the bond between you and your pet, creating trust and a sense of security. It's important to be consistent with rewards and ensure that your pet understands which behaviors are being reinforced. This can be as simple as sitting calmly, walking on a leash without pulling, or responding to a command during moments of stress. Avoid using punishment or negative reinforcement, as this can increase anxiety and lead to more fear-based behaviors. By focusing on positive behaviors and gradually increasing the challenge, you help your pet become more resilient and less anxious when faced with stressors. Over time, the pet learns that they have control over their environment, which is a powerful tool in reducing anxiety. Consulting a veterinarian is a crucial step when dealing with severe or persistent pet anxiety, especially when other methods have not provided sufficient relief. Veterinarians have the expertise to identify underlying health issues that could be contributing to your pet's anxiety. Sometimes, anxiety can be linked to medical conditions, such as thyroid imbalances, pain, or neurological disorders that can cause discomfort or stress. A thorough checkup can help rule out these potential causes, ensuring that the anxiety is not a symptom of something more serious. In addition to medical evaluations, veterinarians can provide guidance on behavior modification techniques tailored to your pet's specific needs. For pets with anxiety that doesn't improve through environmental changes or training alone, a veterinarian might recommend medications to help manage the symptoms. These medications, such as selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors SSRIs or tricyclic antidepressants, are designed to regulate brain chemicals that affect mood and anxiety. In some cases, anti-anxiety medications can be used short-term during periods of high stress, such as before a move, during a storm, or when leaving your pet alone for extended periods. Long-term medication use, however, should be monitored carefully by a vet to ensure that your pet's response is positive and there are no adverse side effects. Another option a veterinarian might suggest is referral to a veterinary behaviorist who specializes in animal behavior and can design an individualized treatment plan. This professional approach combines behavioral therapy with medication to address anxiety in a comprehensive way. A veterinary behaviorist can also assist with training and desensitization techniques, which are essential for reducing anxiety in the long term. It's essential to work closely with a veterinarian when managing your pet's anxiety to ensure that the approach is safe, effective, and tailored to their unique situation.